All right, everyone. So right here we have a thermostat housing. We have a thermostat for our 2010 Dodge Avenger, and we are still going, you guys. So we 250,000 miles, I believe, and we still pushing. So what happened to me yesterday is that the hose broke off. Coolant went everywhere. So I was on the highway and all of that good stuff. So to go home, I had to keep filling this up with water and drive it home a little bit, and then it gets hot, stop, fill it up with water and all of that because we have a leak somewhere or something is happening. All right. So what I believe is that the thermostat might be stuck. So we are going to work with that first. Okay. And I did get this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. We're going to drain some fluid, if there's any fluid in there. And then we're going to take all of this housing and all of this stuff off so we can access our thermostat. This hose. Oh yeah, get yourself a pan as well. Almost there. All right. Okay. So I got my stuff here on the bottom. It's dripping, but it's going to drip into my pan. Not worried about that. There we go. All right, not that much. Clamp off. All right, so there. So when we put back on, we have to remember we have an electrical connector here. Flip this down, this get connected right there. Then we connect that. Now out with this. Always remember how to put your stuff back in. Take photos. All right. So we got this. Seems decent. Just want to move stuff out the way so it's easy to work in here, you guys. See, I moved that back. Let me see if I can. All right, so this is all the way off there. Come on now. Okay, so where are you going? All the way down here. But it should just come off. Let me take it off from this side first. One side always easier than the other. Why can't it just be that easy on that side? See, that's off. That's zip tied on there. So this, I think, is my mass airflow. So can I just okay, on the side, lift up and pull. Should be lift up and pull, you guys. Don't know why I'm getting a hard time. Why me? Okay, then twist. There we go. So since this one wants to be arrogant, we are going to put it to the side over here. Okay? All right, you guys. So this should be the thermostat right here. So basically it goes like this right here. So just in case you want to see side by side, you have the top part right here. The electrical connector is right here. So this is a plastic unit. I ordered a metal one. I just got metal, you guys. The plastic one is like $10 cheaper, but hey, you know, it is what it is. Let's see what else we need to move out the way. I'm gonna go down here. So we got that part off. This is not hard, you guys. This is just simple off and on. All right, so here you have your throttle body. So if you don't know where your throttle body is at on the Dodge Avenger, this is your throttle body. So yeah, if you need to clean it, might as well clean it now. All right, so I'm going to take this one off. Hose right here. I'm going to take that off. Pull back if you can. Okay, move this up out of my way. That's it.
Hey, I thought I was going to say, yeah. There you go.
Come on. There you go. Okay. So we got 1, 2, and then, so you got 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. 1. This is for the top. This one is for bottom. All right.
Right there. Oh, right here.
Okay.
No, you can use
Let me hand tighten this one real quick.
No, that's aluminum. Don't overdo it.
Gotcha.
I mean, tight, but not.
You break it, you buy it. See, this one's still going. There we go. Okay, I think that's good.
Just do one more touch.
Okay, that's done.
There we go.
Bottom on bottom.
This one is
This
another
one.
Forget
This one we doing last. 2 in the back. There we go. Pinch, push, top sensor.
that. No,
Yeah. All right, top.
Twist. You
Okay.
see?
One hose out.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's
Okay. Oh, perfect.
It's short?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll strap it.
Yeah. We wrap it around something.
Yeah, but they gotta. I mean, we can wrap it right here.
Let me see.
Get a zip tie and strap it right here.
Yeah. Where's the original hose?
It's sliding right on it. I can get a sharper blade, or you good?
No,
Okay.
good.
Okay, you're doing that for more security.
Yeah, because that way we can wrap it around. There you go. Let's not. I'm not going to tie it.
Okay, I'm gonna clean the throttle body, you guys. Since I already got it off, it's pretty clean already. Oh, great. All right. 1, 2.
You have the light on. Can you see?
Yep.
That's it.
Airflow sensor cleaner.
Yeah, okay.
That goes there. This goes like this. This goes on the bottom. Okay, that goes there. That goes to there. And then that goes like this. All right, you guys. So I am doing, well, I guess a final review or follow-up from the thermostat that we put in right there, the thermostat housing, the metal one, and then the new thermostat that we needed. So it was a guess that the thermostat was closed, and it was a pretty good guess because now the car is not running hot, but we have another issue. Our fans are not working, so we will be testing those out today. So yeah, other than that, thermostat, housing, everything is good. No leaks, and I'm still driving. So I drove about like 50 miles and the temperature is still normal. So that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.